They do expect to open again? All
Welcome back, riders. Feel you enjoyed your ride. Please remain seated with your phones away until it comes to a full and complete stop.
Welcome back. Hope you're enjoying your ride. Once you're ready to go and stop, unlock your safety belt and push up on your left arm. Exit to your right, walk down the hall, and adjust your